they put steroids in it. It's like this big.
So here goes up. Is one of my favorite kinds of meals over here. Wow. We're here now at the National Bookstore. We ended up getting this book for him and for me, The Little Seed, Ang Mutin Buto. So Adam, is there anything you'd like to say?
Hi.
Hi. Only after a very brief stop back home just to take a quick shower and change. Then we were going from one meal with Chris's friends to now dinner with Chris's friends. We went to Locavore, which is very close to our neighborhood over here. It's only like a 5-10 minute walk, and very good food over here. We've been here before, actually a couple of times. The pina salad is one of my favorite kinds of meals over here. Wow, this chicken is so good. I'm sorry, I just have to mention that, but this is really good chicken.
It's only recently, actually last weekend that we learned to like bangus. So, yay!
Yeah, because I'm really not a fish eater. I'm getting more and more curious about bangus particularly because
the one from LCM is bigger than that place.
being that I'm really not a fish person, the last time that I had any kind of fish was bangus about a week ago, back in Sonia's garden. I made a video about that if you're curious. So that was actually my second time ever trying bangus, and you know what, I was surprisingly really impressed by it. And this time I'm actually going to try it with the skin. So here goes up. Wow, you know what? You know, this is actually even tastier than the bangus I had in Sonia's kitchen. I'm really enjoying it. This I can not just, you know, get used to, but actually prefer the taste of this. Like, this is really delicious. Originally, one of the best things about Locavore is that it's actually located in the same building where Chris and I first stayed in when we first moved to Manila. Because before moving to Legazpi village, we were living over here in Paseo. It was so convenient because we could just go downstairs and have one of the better meals that you can find anywhere in this neighborhood. So for those people who know me well, they know that one of the things that I'm really interested in is gadgets and technology, and particularly smartphones. And I wanted to talk about this really cool Nokia phone, and I have this man straight out of Finland who has a few things to say about it.
My name is Teemu Lakkonen, visiting here in the Philippines. I love the Philippines, visiting here. So what goes on is like Nokia went off the market, right? They sold the mobile phones to Microsoft and kind of things went down. Nokia's back in the market and here we are. It's an amazing phone. The battery runs for days, you know, you get all the apps you want. This is 1/3 of the price you get an iPhone. I'm just amazed still that Nokia is still doing amazingly well. So this guy is just watch out for these phones. You can find this in Malaysia as well, the Philippines as well. Nokia is back in the market. It's an amazing phone. It will beat Samsung, it will beat Apple. Just watch for it, guys.
The thing about the phone is marketing though. It's got the technology, it's got the quality. It's got a very high quality screen, like an OLED display.
And the camera is amazing.
I can attest to that. I've been a long-time Samsung user. I currently have a Samsung Galaxy S10 and I love the quality of it in every sense. But as far as the comparison and the quality between the screen and the camera especially, this one is right there, on just about the same level. There's really no complaints about it. And considering the value that you get, the performance per dollar or performance per peso, Nokia definitely wins out. There's hands down, it's an awesome thing to consider. They don't have the marketing muscle that the current most established players have. That's their only biggest flaw. But if it was as trendy and cool as some of the other phones, then this would be taking the world by storm, and hopefully we'll get there.
Get ready for that. Get ready for that.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
The next morning.
And well, it's another day and another opportunity to hang out with some of Chris's friends. Today we're going to be hanging out with Temu and his wife, the couple that you saw in the video yesterday. And Temu is the guy who was talking all about his Nokia phone. And so they're going to be leaving the country in a little while. And so we just wanted to spend a little bit more time with them before they go. One thing that's very unique being out in the streets of Manila on a Sunday or Saturday is the relative lack of cars, because look how the streets are. There's barely any car in the street right now compared to how it normally is. We're here now at the National Bookstore to get a present for Temu and Karen's son, Adam. So we wanted to see if there are any Tagalog language board games or any other toys, you know, that would fit the criteria what we're looking for today. It's a really nice store. Also, I must mention, because it's this was one of the bigger ones around. This one has a lot of books and stationery, kind of like an all-around Staples and Barnes & Noble rolled into one, or at least, you know, some elements of it. I've been struggling actually kind of a lot trying to pick up some Tagalog, and besides knowing a few random words here and there, and mostly in the food category, I'm still really not picking up much of the vocabulary. So while shopping around for a present for Adam, we ended up getting this book for him and for me, The Little Seed, Ang Mutim Buto, and Ang Mutim Buto, probably. I know my pronunciation is not going to be good, but it's a cute little children's story about a little seed, and how he was traveling through his countryside, and then met the Fruit King, and a lot of exciting stuff happened later. But I'm gonna try to go by some of these words, because even though the language obviously is very simple, there are also very useful words in there that, as a story, I might be able to actually pick it up into my vocabulary. Hey, I haven't tried this method before, so who knows, maybe it'll stick. I've tried doing different memorization skills, memorization games, doing different apps on my phone to try to learn Tagalog, but this is just something new and a different format, so I figured that maybe the little seed can help me learn some Tagalog. And now that we got that out of the way, we're going straight to our friends. We're about to meet up with them in the Manila Pen Hotel, and then we're going to have brunch. This is a much more upscale establishment, and so they have more tight security. And like some of the hotels, they even have a canine companion dog. We just entered the Manila Peninsula Hotel. Wow, they sure did know how to pick a nice place to stay. Seems like a perfect place to have brunch.
Here, the arroz caldo.
Arroz caldo, oh perfect. Well, we're joined here at the table by Temu, Karen, and Jed. And oh, Jed will have a burger actually.
And maybe an arroz caldo too.
Really? Oh, I didn't realize you're that hungry.
I am starving.
Ever since coming to the Philippines, I was really looking for the best halo-halo I can find. This is something that I've been kind of on a quest to do. And I tried some at Jerry's. It tasted okay, but the ice was basically like a block of ice, and only some parts of it were really nice. But from my understanding, this halo-halo is probably going to be the best that I can hope to try somewhere. So let's try this right now and see how it goes.
He's a big fan of YouTube.
Yeah? Wow. Oh my god, this is like leche flan ice cream. It's amazing.
Leche flan ice cream.
It tastes so good. And the ube ice cream. Oh my god, this is really something else. Wow. I'm gonna have to pick this apart with Chris, piece by piece. There's so much
Yep.
happening over here. So Adam, is there anything you'd like to say?
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, such a cute kid. So shy though. Come on, tell me something about yourself, Adam. How old are you?
8.
You're 8. And where do you live?
Malaysia, and I'm gonna go to Rome.
Wow. Malaysia and then Rome, huh?
How many countries have you been to? Because Tita Dim is a traveler.
1?
Oh man, how many?
21.
21 countries. Wow. Can you try to list them?
What's your favorite?
What is your favorite country that you have visited?
Philippines,
Philippines?
Finland,
Finland, okay.
America,
America
and Malaysia.
and Malaysia. Those are your 4 favorites? It's a nice list. Well, there you have it. Interview with Adam. Lucky for us that we don't have to walk all the way home from here. I mean, not that it's far, but it is a hot day today, so Jed here is going to give us a ride home. Very convenient.
2 weeks later.
Chris and I enjoyed our time at Locavore so much that we decided to come back here again and order the same thing because we just were craving for it. So I thought that this would be a perfect opportunity to make a closing for that video. If you have liked that video and you enjoyed the work that I do, then please hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to it so you'll never miss out on another episode of The Time Lapse Traveler.